Okay guys, here's our layout. This is a little tricky with the amount of remodel and existing walls that you have, but from the measurements I took, from this represents the front door to the left of this wall, and the slider is here. So from this exterior wall to this point was 21 feet, 10 inches, and then from the exterior wall where the slider is to here was about 188 inches. So that's what we're looking at. The island is, the cabinets are 108, inch and a half countertop overhang on each side, and the countertop this way we are looking at around 52 inches or so. We had landed on this base cabinet being 24 and the back being 16 deep, and then about a 12-inch overhang on the back. Our fridge to the right, and again, that represents the slider. Front door here. Kitchen window, this apron sink is centered. Dishwasher to the right. We have large drawers here. The pantry cabinet, one option would be maybe to put a trash pull out right here. That would take up 18 inches of space. This cabinet is 26 inches wide. So instead of 6 drawers, put a trash pull out, there's still a drawer on top, and then this 3-drawer stack would just get a little bit wider. And then the front of the island. And I understand there's still a column in here somewhere. Oven. Here, let me hide this. Spice pull out, tray divider for cookie sheets, etc. This spice pull out just pulls straight out like a large drawer. This is 28 wide and 30-inch ovens, and on the back of the island is storage, 16 inches deep. So that's what we've got. Let me know if that works out, and if so, we can keep moving forward. Thank you.